Hope you're doing good and welcome to this Goaff Pro affiliate marketing tutorial. Goaff Pro is one of the best apps if you have ever thought about creating an affiliate program for your Shopify store. All you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option once on your Shopify admin page and you're going to tap on Add Apps. After doing that, I want you to tap on Shopify App Store. Then from there, I want you to tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to type in Goaff Pro and you're going to be redirected to this page. And I want you to select the Goaff Pro app right here. And you can see that it is highly rated as it has a 4.8 ratings. And by scrolling down, you can also quickly read about it. So you can see that they offer a free plan which will allow you to add unlimited affiliates, unlimited revenue, branded affiliate portal, and you can also set up welcome emails. And if you would like to go onto their paid plan, it starts off at $29 per month. So you're going to tap on install. Once you have tapped on install, you'll be redirected to a new page. And you're going to tap on install once more. Now, after you have installed the app, you will be redirected to the Goaff Pro admin page. So just give it a few seconds while it is loading up. Once it has loaded up, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on skip setup. After tapping on skip setup, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And at the moment, this is how your dashboard looks, as you can see right here. Now, what I want you to do next is you're going to go over to the left hand menu option. And right below where you see setup, you're going to tap on look and feel. After tapping on look and feel, from here you can see your store name, you can see your store currency, so you can choose to change that if you want. So let's say, for example, I would like to change that to USD. I can quickly do that by going over to here. I could simply select USD. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to select USD real quick. So let's go back up to the top and I'm going to select USD. After selecting USD, from here I can tap on it right there. After you have done that, if you would like to add your store URL or better yet your store logo, sorry about that, you can also do that by tapping right here where you see choose file. And I could add my store logo right there. After doing all of that, you can simply scroll back up and then from there you could tap on landing page. And this is your landing page at the moment. So if I were to tap here, you can see how our landing page looks. So this is the page that potential affiliates will go on. You can see that your logo will be right here. And all they'll need to do is tap on join now. Once they have tapped on join now, they'll be prompted to enter their name, email address, and create a password. Now, if you would like to edit this page, you can do that quite easily. So for example, you can see right here, top navigation, you could tap on edit. Then from there, you could change the navigation background. You can also go down and you could tap on card group and you could edit the card group right there. So you can choose right there. So for example, you could change the text, the join text. You can also change promote right here, the promote information. And you can also change the earning commission right there. You can change that also by selecting that section. Once you have scrolled back up, you can tap on sign up page. And at the moment, this is the sign up page that we are using, just like what I showed you earlier. If it is a case that you like to edit it, you can do that by tapping on select and customize. Once you have tapped on select and customize, again, we could tap on preview page right here and you can preview the sign up page. If you would like to require more information, you can do that. To require more information, for example, you can simply scroll down. If it is a case that you'd like to require their first and last name, you could toggle on first and last name. You can also require their date of birth, company name, gender, social media platforms, or so on. If you would like to require their website URL, you could toggle that on right there. And as you can see the different form fields that you can also add. If you'd like to require their PayPal email address or so on, You can do that also by toggling it on. You can see the different form fields that you can add to the requirement or the sign up page, as you can see right here. Once you have added them, you'll simply tap on save in the top right hand corner. Then from there we could tap on preview page once more. After you have done that, you can see the differences right there. So now we have the first and last name section and website. If I were to go back to the old requirement page, you can see that it only had 3 form fields. So you can see that that has changed now. You can also tap on affiliate dashboard from the top right here. And this is your customized dashboard. And this is the dashboard that they will also be able to see. So you can edit this dashboard. You can decide what you would like them to see once they sign into their affiliate dashboard right here. Another thing that you can do by going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on commissions. From here, you can select the commission that you would like to offer. So for example, I could tap on change percentage, and let's say I would like to offer a 5% commission to my affiliates. You can do that right there. And if it is a case that you would like to set a commission for an affiliate, so let's say for example special tier or so on, you could do it right there. You could tap on that and you can do that. Or if you'd like to set a commission for a particular product, you could do it right there. You can also tap on royalty commissions and you can see that right there. But to make any changes to this, you will need to be on their paid plan. If you'd like to also set up coupons, you could tap on coupons right here. And you can do that. You could tap on set up and you'll be able to set up coupons. Now, when it comes on to monitoring, you'll be able to monitor your affiliates by tapping on affiliates right here. So you'll be able to see all of your pending approvals right here, and you'll be able to approve affiliates. Once you have done that, you can tap on all affiliates and you'll be able to see all of the affiliates that you have added. You can also tap on sales from the left hand menu option and you can see all of the sales that they have gotten. You can also see the payouts and you'll be able to decide when you want to pay them out. And then from there, you'll also see the amount of sales that they have gotten and the amount that you have paid out. If it is a case that you'd like to, for example, create banners or so on, you could tap on digital assets right here. After tapping on digital assets, you can see upload digital assets to showcase them in affiliates dashboard. And for example, you could upload your banner that you would like them to be displayed, or you could tap on new link right there and you could create a new link that you would like them to be able to add onto their website to redirect customers to your affiliate program or better to your product. After doing that, that's it basically when it comes on to Goaff Pro. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative, and I wish you the best of success with your affiliate program.